Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. Also watch this recipe till the end. Today we are going to cook moringa leaves with duck eggs. It's a recipe that we prepare at home and we call it sojna pata hangosdim ha. The recipe is really simple and it's a perfect example of two superfoods coming together making an exotic side dish. And now let's check out the ingredients. Moringa leaves, duck eggs, dried red chilies, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, salt and mustard oil. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your finely chopped garlic. Stir fry it for a minute on a low flame. Now add your cumin seeds and dried red chilies and lightly saute them. Then add your moringa leaves and salt as per taste. Stir, cover and cook it on a low flame until the leaves becomes flaccid. Now you have to open cook this, stirring continuously until it becomes completely dry. Finally crack the eggs. And mix them with the leaves and cook them together until they are cooked. And just like that, our superfood is ready to be served. So did you guys enjoy watching this recipe, and wasn't it so easy to make? The moringa leaves are tender, garlicky, and the eggs have added a beautiful comforting texture. So do try it out, this Northeast Indian style superfood, and let me know in the comments. But before it gets too cold, it's time for me to dig in. And don't forget guys to give this video a big thumbs up, and see you soon.